Ever wondered if you could manage your money better, track your spending effortlessly, and maybe even get some cash back while you're at it? You've probably heard whispers about KOHO, the fintech darling that's making waves in Canada. But if you're living in Quebec, a crucial question hangs in the air: is KOHO available here? That's exactly what we're diving into today. We're going to unpack everything you need to know about KOHO's availability in La Belle Province, from its current status to potential future expansions, and even explore some alternatives if KOHO isn't quite ready for you yet. Now, before we get into the specifics of Quebec, let's quickly recap what KOHO actually is. For those unfamiliar, KOHO is a prepaid MasterCard that links to an app, giving you a comprehensive overview of your spending habits. Think of it as a supercharged budgeting tool combined with the convenience of a debit card. You load money onto your KOHO card and then use it like any other MasterCard, online, in stores, everywhere that accepts MasterCard. The magic happens in the app, where you can categorize your expenses, set budgets, and even get instant notifications for every transaction. Some KOHO plans also offer cashback rewards on certain purchases, adding another layer of value. So, the burning question: can Quebec residents join the KOHO revolution? The short answer, unfortunately, is no. Currently, KOHO is not available in Quebec. This is a common question we see online, and it's understandable why so many Quebecers are interested. The features and benefits of KOHO are genuinely appealing, especially for those looking to take control of their finances. But why isn't KOHO in Quebec? Well, the reasons are complex and not always publicly disclosed by the company. It often boils down to regulatory hurdles, licensing requirements, and the specific market dynamics within Quebec. The financial landscape in each province is unique, and fintech companies like KOHO need to navigate these intricacies carefully before launching their services. Quebec, with its distinct language and regulatory environment, often presents unique challenges for businesses expanding across Canada. While it's disappointing that KOHO isn't currently available in Quebec, it's not necessarily a permanent situation. Many fintech companies expand their services gradually, province by province. It's entirely possible that KOHO may consider launching in Quebec in the future. The best way to stay updated on this is to keep an eye on KOHO's official website and social media channels. They often announce new features and expansions through these platforms. You can also sign up for their newsletter, which is a great way to receive updates directly. Now, I know what you're thinking: okay, KOHO isn't here yet. What are my options? Don't worry, there are some excellent alternatives you can explore in Quebec that offer similar budgeting and spending tracking features. One option is to look at traditional banks and credit unions. Many of them now offer mobile banking apps with robust budgeting tools. You can often link your accounts, categorize transactions, and set spending limits, all within the app. While they might not have the exact same interface or features as KOHO, they often provide a solid foundation for managing your finances. Another alternative to consider is other budgeting apps and personal finance software. There are numerous apps available on both iOS and Android that can help you track your spending, create budgets, and even plan for long-term financial goals. Some popular options include Mint, Inab, You Need a Budget, and PocketGuard. These apps often integrate with your existing bank accounts, allowing you to see all your financial information in one place. They might not offer a prepaid card like KOHO, but they can still be valuable tools for managing your money. A third option, and one that's gaining popularity, is exploring other prepaid card options. While KOHO isn't in Quebec, other companies may offer similar products with comparable features. It's worth researching and comparing different prepaid cards available in Quebec to see if any meet your needs. Look for cards that offer features like spending tracking, budgeting tools, and perhaps even cashback rewards. Now, let's circle back to the possibility of KOHO coming to Quebec in the future. While there's no guarantee, it's definitely something to keep an eye on. As the fintech landscape evolves and regulations change, companies like KOHO may find it easier to expand into new markets. If you're interested in seeing KOHO in Quebec, consider reaching out to the company directly. Let them know there's a demand for their services in your province. Sometimes, customer feedback can play a role in a company's expansion plans. In the meantime, exploring the alternatives we discussed is a great way to take control of your finances and start budgeting effectively. Remember, managing your money is a journey, and finding the right tools is key to success. So, to recap, KOHO is currently not available in Quebec. The reasons for this are likely related to regulatory and market factors. However, it's not impossible that KOHO could launch in Quebec in the future. Keep an eye on their official channels for updates. In the meantime, explore alternative budgeting apps, prepaid cards, and the budgeting tools offered by your bank or credit union. These can help you achieve your financial goals even without KOHO. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.